Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here at the forest. It's the Xiaomi spot to give you another amazing phone. This is the one you've been waiting for, at least from the last time, the Black Shark 3 Pro. Oh yeah, and your first look on Frankie Tech of the Black Shark 3 Pro, and this is what I call the XL gaming beast. Look at the size of this thing with this gorgeous 7.1 inch 2K 90 hertz display. We officially have the best and highest resolution display any Xiaomi / Black Shark has ever shipped. And I got it in this gorgeous armor version. Now look at this color. It is absolutely stunning, and I like it already better than the previous version. The black version just reminded me of a very boring 2018 color phone, and this one is looking so much nicer with this kind of shimmery metal edge there and this silvery kind of look to it. It is just looking stunning, and absolutely stunning is the word for this gaming beast, the Black Shark 3 Pro. Now, similar specs to the last one in terms of performance. We're talking about the Snapdragon 865, and we're running just basically top of the line specs, 5G capable here on this phone. And at the same time, gosh, guys, I'm stunned with this display because I didn't expect it to be this large. I've been using the Mate 20X 5G for a while, and it's been a terrific phone, but it is a little bit old in terms of performance, and I've been wondering, is this a phone that can be the true successor to that Mate 20X for a lot of you guys out there? I bought this phone just now for around 6,000 Hong Kong dollars, but it will cost you quite a bit. It is a bit more expensive, so it should come in the range of around 4,500 yuan. You can get the higher range versions. This is the 8GB 256 gigs of storage version, so it's not actually the, I guess, most basic version of the phone. But as you can see there, 7.1 inches, 2K display, 5,000 milliampere battery, Snapdragon 865, 8 gigs of RAM, and not just that, guys, we also have the super fast charging on this phone, 65 watts. So just incredible, and an incredible device here on the channel. I'm so glad to finally get this one, an exclusive here on Frankie Tech. So anyways, guys, let's talk about the audio experience. We should have it there. There it is, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That is a positive sight to see. And obviously, let me show you around this phone real quick. And the thing you want to see obviously are those, there they are. There are the buttons that will come up and will become actual hardware buttons that you can use to game on this phone. I will be doing some gaming on this in a video later tonight. Stay tuned for that. I got to download Google Apps though on this phone first and make sure that that all works properly. This literally has no Google Apps on it, but I will set it up and it should work perfectly, just like the previous Black Shark 3 did as well. So in terms of audio experience, we do have dual speakers in the slightly larger top and bottom bezels. That is, you know what, they don't look as big now on this giant phone, and I don't mind them because it's such a large display, but it is a 20:9 aspect ratio, so it is a very tall device as well. And talking about the cameras, we do have a triple camera setup on this phone. Let's go ahead and take the classic Frankie Tech camera shot real quick. And it's hard to use this phone just like it is hard to use the Mate 20X. Any of you guys coming from the Mate 20X, I can tell you guys, this is starting to feel like it may be actually the successor to that form factor. And look at that, it's looking really great. 2020, decent triple camera setup, so I don't mind. It's gonna be a great camera on this phone. But what I wanna do last here, because it is important to me to show you this size comparison, is to actually put this next to, and you can see it right here, here it is, the Mate 20X 5G. And I've been using this phone for quite a while, but I actually bought this phone again, but I've been using the Mate 20X since 2018 is what I meant to say. And I'm gonna put them right next to each other right here so you can see them, and let's talk about this comparison real quick. This is the comparison and almost the reason why I bought this phone. Why do I value this size of phone, guys? Because it's huge, and because it is the biggest canvas for anything you can do. And you can see the bezels on these phones are tiny. Now, even though, imagine with a tiny bezel like this one, the Mate 20X is still smaller, but we don't have any notches, any punch holes on this Black Shark 3 Pro. It is just full display. I've heard some complaints about the curved edge of the Black Shark 3 Pro, but to me it looks really good. And I gotta say, this is the comparison I'm most excited about. But obviously for you gaming folks out there, I will be doing a gaming review of this Black Shark 3 Pro as well. And it should be a very fun time, and just comparing how does this beast of a phone compare with the Mate 20X, which I considered the best big phone that you could buy until maybe today. Stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be a fun one. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. And hit me up with any questions, any comments you have about this Black Shark 3 Pro and the sights and sounds of Hong Kong. There's some dudes drinking beers down there. I can't help the noise, so if it was a little bit louder than usual, apologies for that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And if you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys, for some more great Frankie Tech content. And go also check me out on Frankie Mobile in Espanol. If you guys speak Spanish, I will be having a translated version of this video very soon there as well. Anyways, that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. One last look at this back, guys. One last look at this back. Just stunning. Absolutely stunning.